Hello! Today I'm gonna make 3 kinds of miso soup: Nameko mushroom and tofu, sea lettuce, pumpkin and onion. As you know, miso has a lot of healthy benefits, so let's start. You only need miso, dashi, and anything you wanna put in your miso soup. Miso, if you can find it, please choose no additive natural brood. Dashi, I use powder type because it's so easy to have good umami taste. It's also please use natural ingredients such as only kelp and fishes. I make for 1 person, so I use 1 cup of mineral water. Soft water gives you more umami taste. When the water boils, make the fire small and just put everything except miso. The point is miso is hard to melt, so let miso melt to little water. And also miso enzymes are very weak with hot water, so make sure put miso after stop the fire. This is very popular home cooking miso soup. Next I'm gonna make sea lettuce. It's popular at sushi restaurant. So it's same. Even sea lettuce doesn't need to boil, so after stop the fire, put the sea lettuce and miso, and done! It's a nice scent of the ocean. Next, pumpkin and onion. It's not traditional, so my mom doesn't cook it, but it tastes sweet of vegetable and delicious, so please try it. Again, same. After pumpkin and onion go soft, stop the fire and put miso. Hope you enjoy making miso soup. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment.